Hello, Professor. I hope you are doing well. My name is Mohammad Amin Moher, and this is my project lab for FunOxel 3. Uh, as I mentioned before, I face a lot of error and I had a lot of problem for doing this project. So when I use a remote, I don't have any button about palletizing, so I did it manually. So in my program, I use a few subroutine. The main subroutine is called TP main, and inside this subroutine, I called a few subroutine that called, for example, TP end plug, TP pick plug, and something like that. So first of all, on my program, a robot go to home position, the cylinder is lowered and the part moves on the conveyor. Robot move to the top of the gasket and put it on the part. After that, pick plug and place it on the part for 3 times. After that, robot picked an end plug and placed it the exact location here. Then the cylinder is lowered and the exit tunnel door will be open and the part moves. Thank you.